Hi guys, Miss H here. Have you ever noticed how many times people use the word respect every day? And they kind of just expect you to understand what it means. But I bet some of you are a little bit confused on what respect means. So today we are going to be teaching you all about respect so that you can really understand what people are talking about when they say respect. So to respect someone or to respect something means that you admire them or you like them because of what they do or who they are. Respect is a challenging word to understand. It has lots of different pieces to it. These pieces are called qualities. So if you follow these qualities, then you will be respectful to the people or the things around you. So today we will be talking about 7 qualities of respect. I picked these 7 qualities because when you look at them, you will notice that they spell respect if you use the first letter. So these are 7 qualities of respect, and if you start using these qualities, then you will be more respectful, you will get along with the people around you, and you'll have more friends. So the 7 qualities we're talking about today are: be reliable, be empowering, be sincere, be prompt, be encouraging, be caring, and be trustworthy. These are the qualities we'll be talking about today. You do these and you will know a whole lot more about respect. So let's get started.